Okay guys, so finally able to show you what I got. I went to Walmart, Kohl's, and TJ Maxx, but the TJ Maxx was only for the shoes that I showed you guys earlier. But so from Walmart, I got these leggings. They're like capri leggings, and they're like super stretchy, and I liked the gray, so I ended up getting the gray ones from Walmart. And then I got so many of these shirts because, I mean, literally they're like $2.88. So they're just like everyday shirts, you know, like just to wear to work or whatever. And I had a bunch of them that I had gotten before, but they're like getting old now. So I decided to get a bunch. So they just look like this. And I just got them in all of these colors. There's also a navy blue one that I wore the other day. So it's in the hamper now, but I really like them. They're super comfortable. And I got larges, but I think they run kind of small because they fit me pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't consider myself a large, but I like to get shirts a little bit oversized so that they fit me comfortably. So I got these like stretchy like tanks to wear like under like the sweater, over the sweater thing that I showed you guys earlier in my outfit. But I just like the thicker straps, so I got the thicker straps in these 3 colors. Well, actually, I have this pattern, and then I have the skull pattern that I showed you guys earlier on the outfit that I'm wearing today. So I have the skulls, I have the flowers, I have the pink color, and the teal. For Kohl's, I got this shirt. I've been liking the shirts that everyone is like wearing recently. Like the trend is like the choker top. So I got this shirt, and it was actually on clearance. It's the Mud brand. This shirt is regular $24. I got it on sale for $4.80. So that's pretty awesome. This like over, like you can wear over one of these like tank tops. It's like an over the sweater type thing, and spring is coming, so I figured like, hey, like why not get some of these? Plus I just love them. They're just so comfortable to wear, and they kind of dress up your outfit a little bit too. So I got long sleeves. They also it has pockets. It's the Mud brand as well, and there's a hood on it, which I love that as well. This one was also on sale, but it was like $8. The only thing was there wasn't like a clearance price on it, so I had to like ask the register like, you know, what was the clearance price on it, because it wasn't the clearance rack, and she said it was $8. So that's that piece, and I love it. I can't wait to wear it. It's like, babe, can you help me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have Jared hold the camera so that way I can like show you guys, because this one I also got at Kohl's, but it's like really long, so I figured he can hold the camera while I show you guys.
What's up, everybody? Over here at Marcie's little wardrobe.
I went shopping. I needed clothes.
Yo, she actually surprisingly did really well. She got all these clothes right here for mad cheap. Yeah. I kept telling her she's obsessed with these shoes right here.
Yeah, I haven't.
I kept telling her that she needs to get all these colors right here. Like, come on now. I spend like $100 to $200 just on one pair of sneakers. She's over here spending $25 on one pair, so like she can get like 4 or 5 compared to my one.
That was clearance price, $25. They're regular $40.
She feels like guilty spending mad money on the sneakers. Like, come on, dude, just do it. Like,
I know. See, that's one thing. Like, I don't buy it. I don't really spend my money on like shoes.
It's worth it though. Like,
I know. I should buy more shoes.
Colors.
Yeah. So yeah. And I'm going back for another pair actually, but I'll explain that in a minute. So for right now, I just want to show you guys this, like, it goes over, it's like one of these, which I also got this at Kohl's, and this was regular $40, but this was on sale for like $7. This one was like $17.99 on sale.
Yeah, it's cute,
and it has pockets and everything. I did like an outfit of the day, so they already saw it.
Wow.
But this one is like a lilac purple, and it has a hood on it, and it also has pockets on the sides. And like I said before, this one was on clearance for $8. So I'm in love with this. I can't wait to wear it because it's springtime and I'm excited to wear it. This, oh, Maya's laughing over there. This one I also got at Kohl's, and it's like a longer one. It's a little bit like thicker. Yeah. But I think it'll still be cute for the spring. This one is regular $40. I got it on sale. On clearance, actually. It was actually on the clearance rack for $8.
Wow.
I got it on sale for $8. So
you know how to do your bargain shopping right
I only have like one other piece that's like long like this, so I was really excited to get like a longer one like that too.
Yeah, it's cute.
And for the shoes, I got these Airwalk. That's the name, Airwalk.
They're basically like Chuck Taylors, low top Chuck Taylors for girls.
Yeah, so I got these at Payless. I got these at Payless Shoes, but how much were they? Do you remember?
These ones are like $18.
These? No, I think they were like
25.
No, they were 20.
$20.
I think they were $20.
They had black ones like this, black and white, but she didn't want
I didn't know. I didn't
then they had all white. I was telling her to get both of them, but she didn't want to do it. But I like the color though. That's cool.
Yeah. And then I got these yesterday at TJ Maxx. These are Converse, the All-Star.
Yeah, they almost identical to these, but they are different ones.
These were on clearance as well for $25. They were regular $40.
Yeah.
So they also had these in like a pink color, so I'm gonna go back and get them. Jared convinced me to get them.
Yeah, I was trying to tell her to get every color.
So, and these are actually a size 6, which I'm a size 7, but they still fit me pretty good. So,
yeah, I had to tell her that if you gotta get these small, because if you get them any bigger, you're gonna look like you got clown feet.
Nuh-uh, because these are a 7, and they don't make me look like I have clown feet. Whatever, you're so mean. So I also just got these like little booty sock
little booty socks
for like $2 at Walmart.
Yeah, little slippers for around the house.
Yeah, just to wear around the house. Most definitely. I haven't even worn them yet, but they're cute fuzzy socks. They can't tell I love gray.
Oh my God, this girl loves gray. We were at the freaking store today, and what was she trying to do? Get gray mirror. We just got this mirror. We needed this body mirror. She wanted this piece right here to be gray.
Yeah, and you think
everything she wants. Look, gray.
And you think this is a dark. Anyways, so this is the wall that I wanted to get the don't move the camera too much.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is the wall that I wanted to get that mirror for, because it's like really bare, and I feel like having a mirror right here would be really cute.
Yeah, it would.
Or like, I don't know. I just feel like having a mirror right here would be really cute, because this wall is so bare. There's nothing on it. So another thing that I got for my haul that I'm showing here is the Mahogany Teak Wood High Intensity Candle from Bath & Body Works. They didn't have a sale or anything, so they're kind of expensive. They're like $30. They're $24.50. Oh my gosh, though, it smells like a man. It smells so good. I love it. And then I also got this candle holder too, because I just love marble, like the white and gray marble. Of course, gray. But I love this candle holder, and they only had one, or else I would have got 2 of them, and I think that was like $12, right? Yeah. I also went to Lush. I got 2 bath bombs and a bubble bar. I can't even take it out. I got this bubble bar. It smells really good. I forget the name. I don't even know the name. But it smells really good. I'm excited to use it. And there's actually like glitter in it too. I think I've tried it before. And then I got... I
think we have tried that one.
Yeah. And then I got... Oh man, I don't even know like the names of these. I probably should have checked it.
I'm surprised they don't have the names with it.
No. I got this bath bomb. I don't know the name.
That's the good one. I love this
Jared
one.
loves these.
This one right here.
We have to be careful. It's getting dirty. Look, my hands.
This one right here smells so good. And I don't even know what else to say. I forget which one it was.
We used it once at Foxwoods, the casino.
The bath, different colors, and there's gold sparkles. And if you're looking for a really comfortable romantic night with your woman, I'm telling you, get this one.
Yeah, so it smells really good.
Called Sex.
It's called the sex bomb. That one I remember. Tried this one before. I guess the lady there said that there's 4 colors on the outside. So there's the pink, blue. I don't know, like that's like a yellowish, and then white. And then there's also a color on the inside as well. So, I don't know, I'm excited to try this one out too, and it smells so good. Hands are all dirty now. Okay, so I have this apothecary jar. Oh, thanks, babe. I appreciate that. They're gonna get dirty again though, because I have to put them in this apothecary jar. So, I got this apothecary jar. And I don't know what to do with it. Like, I had it in the kitchen to put like candy in it or something, but I don't know. And I know people like Lovita de Meg on her vlog channel. She shows her apothecary jars with her Lush products in it. So I was like, why not do that? So I'm going to put my Lush products in it. Oh shoot, this is like really That's really tight.
Baby, it'll be fine though.
You think I'll be able to take stuff out of here?
Yeah, most definitely. Watch. Let go. You gotta let go of it. All you gotta do is just...
I guess.
You know what I mean? That's fine. Don't worry about it.
I guess so.
Yeah, that's a good job for it. I think you did good.
You think so?
There's your bath
I think it would look cute like this
blade. Tell them which one
blade.
that one was.
I did. That was the bubble bar.
All right.
And that was one of the bath bombs.
This is also a good one right here.
We've never tried this one.
We didn't?
No, we've never tried this one.
It was this one. We are obsessed with this one.
Yeah, we've tried that one.
Tried that one.
It makes the water really
Just
glittery. I can't. It's going to break. Oh.
Okay.
How's it look?
That's the Lush jar right there.
It needs another one right there.
That's the Lush jar.
The Lush jar.
Marcie's a little lush.
Yeah, so that was stupid. Yeah, so I don't know. I think that would look cute. It kind of looks empty though. I need to put more in there.
Oh yeah.
I need to buy more.
This girl, everything with her is more.
Not true.
Look at all this stuff. If it wasn't for her though, I gotta say, if it wasn't for her, this house, the whole decoration, all the home decor is all her. She's got good taste. I gotta go. That's why I trust her to go out and do the type of shopping she does for the house. Because I always can trust and rely on her to get something really cute.
Yeah, I want to do an apartment tour one day, but my house still needs a long way to go.
She has really good taste and knows how to make it really homey.
Oh, thanks, babe.
No problem.
So sweet.
Yeah, so. All right.
Yeah, so I also don't know where to put that in my bathroom because there's like no room in my bathroom.
Let's go check it out. This is where we were originally going to put that in.
Don't mind the mess. I already gave her a bath. Right on the toilet?
Right there, boom.
Okay.
Well, you know, I mean, if you want, we could just leave. No.
It's not going to fit up there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I just don't want it to fall. Alright, I think you should either just leave it right here then.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Leave it right there. That's a good spot.
That's cute.
Yeah. Okay. Good to go. Alright. The
main event. Jared is obsessed with this right now.
I'm so glad she came up with this idea. And I'm surprised that she came up with this idea.
No, I didn't come up with this idea.
Yeah, I know, but like I'm just surprised that I didn't even think of that. Like this is so brilliant. Like because like she said,
yeah. So if you guys
always had that little Christmas tree. We had it over here in the corner. Now here we have our fruit. But it's like, all right, now it's getting to spring. We could be using it, but we liked it because at nighttime when we have to wake up in the middle of the night, we have a little bit of light there, especially when we have to go make her bottles and stuff like that. Light was perfect instead of opening up the kitchen light. But now that Marcie had this brilliant idea, you'll see around what we're talking about.
Yeah, Jared already set up the other ones. I didn't come up with this idea though. I saw it on a vlog from Lovey to Meg.
Alright, show them.
So we got these lights, which I showed before. Did you throw away the other part?
Yeah.
Oh.
Babe, who cares? You don't gotta show them the directions.
Well, basically it just like had a self-adhesive and it takes like 2 AA batteries.
Yeah, you don't gotta tell them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all you gotta do is, this is it right here. So all you gotta do is just push it in and it turns on. But in the back here, so this is obviously it only takes 2 AA batteries. So that's it. You put it back on. You just push it in. Boom. It's nice and bright too, by the way. So it works out really nice.
It's LED. It says LED on the package.
So now this right here is Velcro. So now you can change it, like if you want to like put it wherever, you just stick it to it. You know what I mean? But the only problem is once you stick it somewhere, you're really not going to be able to take it off and put it somewhere else because this part right here is the sticky part. Like you have to take this little sticky part off. So I'm going to do it right now for you on Marcie video.
He's going to demonstrate.
This is the last one. So,
and don't worry, Maya's in there watching her show. Like, don't think we...
Yeah, I just avoided our dog.
Yeah, right?
That's not it. So, yeah, so that's it right there. So you said you wanted to...
Put it right in the middle.
Okay. Alright, so now we're going to show you how we set it up. And I think it looks amazing. So let me just turn off the lights.
Yeah, turn off the lights.
Alright, it's nice and dark in here.
Nice and dark, except...
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, so it looks really good.
I love it.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
I love it.
It's just easier than like having to leave a light on because sometimes we would leave like the stove light on up here. But it's like kind of bright, and there's actually also a light above the sink right there. Don't mind our dishes, by the way.
Like, yeah, like so.
Yeah, that light turns on, but it's too bright. So like we like to leave, you know.
Now, like when we don't have to have all these lights on either. Like we'll be able to turn one off.
We can
like,
turn some off.
You know what I mean? Like we'll probably just leave these two on over here. You know what I mean? Like, cause that's all we really need.
Yeah.
But it's just the point to have all underneath the cabinets ready.
It just looks really good.
It really does. It looks awesome.
It looks really nice. You know what's so cool? I can talk in the mirror now. I don't have to like turn the camera around. So I'm not making the lasagna tonight.
Unfortunately, I am so disappointed in this. This is bad news, people. Bad news.
Yeah, so I'm not making the lasagna tonight. It's like, what time is it right now?
What time is it?
Yeah.
It is 8:50.
Yeah, it's 8:50 at night, and I'm just like not having cooking right now. Like I'm just not feeling it at all. I'm not gonna make. Are you even hungry? Like I'm still full from.
I'm not.
I'm still full from lunch, from the 99.
Yeah. Let me take this camera. Can I just say, look at this beautiful girl right here. I am one lucky man, honestly. She is such a MILF. Seriously, such a MILF.
Thanks, babe. I appreciate it.
As we all know, the princess here, Maya.
She's falling down.
Maya, she takes after daddy. I'm Maya. Oh, babe. What's the matter, Maya? She's watching a show. Hey, Maya. Anyways,
Yeah.
I'll give the phone back to Marcie.
The phone?
I mean the camera, sorry.
Yeah, so. Did she poop?
Oh, yeah.
Can you change it?
Oh, no. Time out.
Alright, guys, we will talk to you later. Hey, guys. So, we didn't close the vlog off yesterday. So, I figured that we could just close it off now. I didn't end up making lasagna last night, so I'm gonna do that right now. I just actually bought a pan. Alright, I'll just show you guys. I just came back from Walmart. I just bought this 9x13 pan for lasagna because we didn't have one. And I just got some containers. And that's just the noodles for the lasagna. Yeah, so we just wanted to close the vlog off because we didn't do that yesterday. And also, it's actually Monday. Maya's sleeping, that's why I'm talking kind of low right now. It's Monday, but I didn't end up going to work because Maya's sick. So we had to bring her to the doctor's today. But this is basically just my outfit of the day. I showed you guys these shoes yesterday, the ones that I got at Payless. And I'm wearing the same jeans as yesterday. I just like threw them on. This is the shirt I got at Kohl's, the choker neck, which I actually really like. I kind of want to get more. Jared likes it too. And then this lilac purple like over sweater thing that I was explaining about yesterday. Jared did laundry.
Alright, bye everybody.
Bye guys. It was so
Hope you enjoyed our weekend.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend. This was actually probably my favorite weekend so far. Because, I don't know, I just liked going to like that home store.
It was a good weekend.
It was a very good weekend. Even though Maya's sick, but
I know. That's the only
that's the only downfall. Alright guys, well, I will see you in next weekend's vlog. Bye.